Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video tutorial on how to set up or how to remove tools from inventory for you. So to do that, we're going to go to cognitoforms.com and then we're going to click this login button here. We're going to log in with Microsoft. That's going to SSO us right in. You may or may not have, you should have MFA turned on. If you don't, look for it in your settings or you can reach out to us and we're happy to help you get that set up, keep your stuff secure. So once you're in there, you're going to find your company, you're going to find your tool inventory creation, because this is where the tools are going to live. You can do the same thing with employees, right? So if you have an employee in a dropdown that you want to get rid of, deleting them out of the employee setup is going to be how you're going to do that. So we'll just go into the tool inventory creation, and then it was requested we're looking to delete 0060. So we're just going to scroll down to that 0060. So you're going to click on that. And then up here in the top right, we're just going to hit delete. And so once you hit delete on that, that tool will disappear out of the drop down for the tool check-in, checkout form. So thanks. Hopes this helps. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.